When man decides he can control nature, he's in deep trouble. Don't be afraid in nature. One must be bold, at the risk of having been deceived and making mistakes. All great chefs have two things in common. I believe in God, nature, magic, and the spiritual healing of all holistic properties. I am always more interested in people than plants. Migration is as natural as breathing, as eating, as sleeping. Really, I don't like human nature unless all candied over with art. I'm a really natural person. I love nature. By nature, I am a low-key person and like being behind the camera. Wolves and women are relational by nature, inquiring, possessed of great endurance and strength.